WF2830. This printer is multifunctional printer, is multitask, 4-in-1. This printer is dual band. You can connect it to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, or with USB cable connection. What I want to show you is how to scan document with this printer is what we are going to do. To scan your document, select the document you want to scan, for instance. So this is the document I want us to scan. And to scan this document, open up the scanner, stick the document you want to scan on top of the scanner and close it. Go to Epson Smart Panel, and this is this printer, and it's showing us printer is ready. Okay, so now to scan your document, you need to use side arrow to select scan function, select more setting, select document source as glass scanner, document size is A4 paper. If there is any other document you have, then you select from the list below. So you can scan A5, A6, A8, B5, B6, letter and business card. So what we selected is A4 paper. Then we go back. Then after that, the next is image type. Select image type. What we selected is color. You can select grayscale or black and white. So we selected color for it. Now the next on the list is resolution. Standard is 300 dpi and high resolution is 600 dpi. I selected standard resolution, which is 300 dpi. Now go back again. The next is automatic rotation. Now image format, select image format. If it's photo, then you select JPEG, JPEG. But this is PDF, so we selected PDF. Then select start. And this document now is scanning. Here we go. Here we go. So this is the document we scan. You can see the first one. If you want to scan the second one, open up the scanner and then move this and stick another one you want to scan on top of it. Close it. Now the next you need to do is from the app, click scan, add scan. You see add scan option. Click add scan and it will start to scan the second page. You can see the document will scan first and second one. Okay, this is the first one, this is the second one. Click next. You can save this document, you can print it out, you can share this document. To print it out, select share, and once you select share, then you need to go and look for Epson Smart Panel. Select Epson Smart Panel, and this document now is attached into Epson Smart Print document. You can see the document first and second one. Okay, the next you need to select is select print. Printer WF2830 and printing range. Okay, select printing range all. You can select start point from page 1 or end in page 2. So you can select specific one, print all. Then the next is paper size. So you can select various sizes of paper. You can select 4x6, 5x7, 8x10, 16.9 wide. A4 is selected. A5, A6, legal, letter, B5, B6, 3.5 by 5 inches. Postcard, envelope, envelope C, envelope D, 11, 5 by 8, 5 by 8 by 5 by 13 inches, 16K, and Indian legal. So you can select various sizes of paper as far as you loaded particular paper here. Now what you selected is A4 paper, then go back. Now the other thing I want us to print media type. Select media type is plain paper. Okay. If it's envelope, then you select. If it's photo, glossy photo paper, then you select on it. What we selected is plain paper, A4. Okay, then go back. Then the next on the list is layout. Okay, you can select borders, 2 up or 4 up from the left, 4 up from the top. Okay, so you can see borders. Okay, now the other type is print quality. You can select high standard or standard. At the moment it's in standard. Okay, then after that, the next is paper source. You select real paper. Okay, this printer only got real paper. Okay, then you go back. Document type, color. If you want it black and white, then you need to change it to B and W, which is black and white. At the moment it's in colored. Then you go back again. Now print two-sided. Okay, so if you want print two-sided off, then you print this document only one page each. Okay, if you want to print it two-sided, then you select print two-sided long edge. So now you select how many copies, so you can increase and decrease how many copies you want. Okay, once you've done this, select start. So this document is going to print out one page double-sided. Now it's going back inside. Okay, so we selected this document to print its color.